Before I put the stain blocker on this stain, I'm gonna give it a good sand. As you can see, the paint is peeling off on the side of it. So I'm gonna hit it with the sander. So the next step is gonna be patching all these small holes along the side there. I'm using the gloss finish interior exterior patch. I'm gonna leave it to dry now, give it a light sand later, and apply the stain blocker on it. Now I'm gonna spray on the stain blocker on this stain here, and this is the one I'm using. You can use any stain blocker as long as it's oil based, they work the best. Like any can sprayers, you need to shake it well before you use it to mix up the compound inside. So I have a look later on when it's dry if I have to apply one more coat, but it seems to be okay now. So if you have a black coming through a patch like that, you better stain block it, otherwise this yellow stuff will just keep coming through. I do stain block fly poo as well. I did sanded it, but it's still coming through, so I better do it like that. So that's probably oil or something that's coming through the ceiling, because we are in the kitchen at the moment. Very important to block these ones, otherwise they will be coming through the acrylic paint 100%.